not need a license to operate any pallet stacker, whether manual or electric. However, there is always care required to ensure all employees, operators are competent to work with these types of machines. It's good working practice to ensure all operators are fully trained to carry out duties safely, competently and efficiently. Many companies provide certificates to demonstrate the training that has been undertaken and specific standards have been met. So, in short, while it's not legally required, it's best practice to offer training to all operators to ensure the highest safety measures are in place.